In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video in CapCut PC. If you've ever filmed something sideways or upside down, don't worry. CapCut makes it quick to fix, and you can choose between a one-click solution or a precise, custom angle. Start by adding your video to the timeline. Once it's there, click the clip so it's clearly selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around the clip in the timeline and the editing options wake up across the interface. Selection is important because CapCut applies rotation to whatever clip is active, and this ensures you're adjusting the right piece of footage. For the fastest fix, look just above your timeline track for the shortcut toolbar. Find the rotate icon. Think of it as a curved arrow that indicates turning the frame. Click it once, and your video instantly rotates 90 degrees clockwise. If it's still not upright, click again. Each click rotates another 90 degrees. So in up to 3 clicks, you can correct any sideways or upside down recording. This approach is ideal when you simply need the video straightened without fine-tuning. If you want more control or a creative tilt, head to the Properties panel on the top right. Under Video, open the Basics section and scroll to the Rotate control. Here you'll see a circular dial you can drag to adjust the angle smoothly. As you drag, watch the preview to line things up exactly how you want. Need an exact number? Click the value field and type it in. 45 degrees for a stylized diagonal, or a small value like 1 or 2 degrees to subtly level a horizon. This is perfect for correcting minor camera lean or achieving a specific design look. As you rotate, keep in mind that the frame stays the same size, so you might see edges or small borders appear at certain angles. That's normal when you turn a rectangular image inside a fixed frame. The key is to focus on getting the orientation and angle you want first. To recap, select your clip on the timeline, then either use the rotate icon above the timeline for quick 90-degree turns, or use the rotate control in the Video Basic panel for precise or creative angles. With these two options, you can fix orientation issues in seconds, or dial in an exact look with confidence. That's it. Perfect orientation in just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing in CapCut on your PC.